This is introduction to a PHP job, a little task. Okay, this is the plugin, and I have activated it. Just deactivated, just to see deactivated. Okay, and then now activated task job, and PHP job is the title. Okay, let's see PHP job, and I create, for example, I have a table in my database that is called task. Okay, now task is empty. If you see browse, this is empty, right? And I have to fetch the data from the data source. Okay, from the data source, and data source is there in the plugins, in the task, and I have data, and this is the JSON file. You see this JSON file, this is JavaScript object notation, and I have records, Google, Microsoft, Apple, IBM. Okay, this is the JSON data. Sites send the JSON data to the to our plugins, to the PHP code. Okay, we use file get contents. If Google is present, then this record will be shown. If Microsoft is present, then this record will be shown, and we will add into our database. Okay, this is some external database. Okay, now there is no record in our database, and I go here and I check, I click here and I enter the organization to search Google. Okay, now search it. Okay, Google is there. Okay, Google name Google, and with the telephone number I add the record into the database. Add record, the record has been added. And now if I go here and see in the task, I browse it. Okay, this is the data there. Okay, Google. And if I add another record, for example, if I add IBM, okay, I add IBM, search it, search in the data source, IBM is there, and add record, and record has been added. And now this is, now you see browse, this is browse. If there is no data, if not found, then for example if I write this, okay, so there is no data, there is no data, so nothing has been added. If you see this, and nothing has been added, right? So this is the plugin, simple task I have created. User will activate it, the table will automatically be created in the backend. Okay, the code is here, this is the code, this is the code, right? This is the whole code. Okay, we have created first of all the table. If table is not there, then we will check, table is not there, then we will create the table. Then we have in the admin menu we have created action hook. Then for the task, this is PHP options and PHP job, you see the title. Then we have classes, view class, we have display and search form, and we have model class, and we have control class. This is very simple task. Oh, and these are the options, and we fetch the data from there. We fetch the data using this function, right? From file get contents. Okay, and data, our file is org.organization.json. okay, right? Four records are there, and JSON decode, and we use this, and we call the view display function of the view class. Okay, and we populate it in this view display. Okay, name, and this is the name from the JSON, and this is the telephone from the JSON, and we press this add record, this add record button. Okay, it will be added to the database. So this is simple plugin. Okay,